pick something to eat.
Here, Claire, you're in the shot.
That's okay.
Standing with their items, you're standing in the shot. Claire.
Come on, Lane. Let's go and get something to eat.
Olivia, push Mia some more.
Oh, you push her? Here, Mommy will blow some bubbles.
Is she heavy? That's so funny.
You hit the rail. You want to do it? Okay, you can push your rail. Hey, Mia, why don't you guys switch? Do you want to let Olivia ride? You want to get off and let Olivia ride now?
Olivia probably won't pick her feet up, but
Get off.
okay. She's a foot dragger.
You can sit down. You want to sit on it? Okay, let's turn it for you. Okay, Mia, you want to push it now? Go ahead. Here, Claire. Push her.
This thing's so much higher.
I know Olivia's heavy, Mia, compared to you.
Oh, honey, don't spill. See, you spill and it doesn't. Here, let me hold it.
Go, Mia.
Here, I'll help
You
you.
need some help?
Yay! There she goes. Got a little. There you go.
I'm obviously
Keep
not
going,
the
Mia.
one.
Here, Olivia, press the buttons on there. Press that button. That's it.
You did it.
I did not do it. No,
You're so
I did not. I did not.
Whoa, what are you doing? Be nice. Yeah. Can you push it, Mia?
I'm going to play it over and over again.
A little bit. Olivia's pushing.
Push it over and over again. You're going to play with her hair? You're going to put her hair in your hair? Olivia's dancing. You're the only one who dances to Old MacDonald Had a Farm. Oh, Mia's done.
Yeah.